everyone. Today we will discuss how to get rid of blepharitis. Blepharitis is a rather severe inflammation of the eyelid margins in which the edges of your eyelid become red and swollen. This condition is often caused by clogged oil pores in your eyelids and other skin conditions such as rosacea and others. Major factor responsible for this condition can be poor hygiene, especially if you have sensitive or oily skin. Set up a meeting with your eye doctor if you experience any of the symptoms described for proper diagnosis. If it is not a severe infection requiring antibiotic treatment, given here are home remedies that can be used to treat and get rid of blepharitis. Home remedy number 1, warm compress. Applying a warm compress to your swollen eyelids helps treat blepharitis by warming up and losing the blockage in the oil glands and the crusty deposit over your eyelids. Piece of flannel to make a compress. Soak it in a bowl of hot water. Squeeze out excess moisture. Take the warm compress and gently apply to the edge of the affected eyelid for 5 to 10 minutes. You can now clean your eyes using an antibiotic solution or wipes. Apply warm compresses 4 times a day. Home remedy number 2, tea tree oil. The antimicrobial properties of a tea tree oil make it the most effective remedy for treating blepharitis. Add 3 to 4 drops of tea tree oil to a small bowl of olive oil. Mix well. Dip a sterile cotton ball into the oil blend. Close your eyes and use the soft cotton ball to gently clean and wipe over one eyelid. Leave it on for 1 to 2 minutes and then wash off with cold water. Home remedy number 3, Manuka honey. Manuka honey is a powerful antibacterial agent to treat blepharitis. Dip a clean and sterile Q-tip in some Manuka honey and spoon up a decent amount. Apply over the infected eyelid, coating the full length of the eyelid. Discard after use. Leave the honey on for 10 to 20 minutes and then home remedy number 4, castor oil. To treat blepharitis as it provides quick relief from inflammation, redness, irritation, burning sensation and pain in your eyes and eyelids. Dip a cotton ball in some hexane-free castor oil. Gently apply it over your closed eyelid and the surrounded area. Do this once daily at night. Home remedy number 5, baby shampoo. No tear baby shampoo are designed to be gentle or non-allergic to baby skin. Pour half cup of hot water in a small glass bowl and let it cool down a little. Check the temperature. The water should be warm, not boiling hot. Add 4 to 5 drops of non-sticking and tear-free baby shampoo to the water. Stir and mix well. Dip a clean Q-tip into this solution for a few seconds and then use it to gently cleanse your eyes. Do this twice daily. Home remedy number 6, coconut oil. Coconut oil consists of medium-chain fatty acid that help your skin retain moisture and prevent dry eyes. Soak a clean cotton ball in some pure virgin coconut oil and apply it on your red and swollen eyelid. Leave the oil on for 20 minutes and then wash off. Do this at least 2 to 3 times a day to control and alleviate the symptoms of blepharitis.